Welcome to T1 Academy. In our last video, we have seen the introduction portion of the calendars concepts, and we have seen what is meant by odd day, how many odd days will be there for a normal year, how many odd days will be there for a leap year, and what is month code, day code, and the century code. These are the things which we have learned in our last class, right? And we have seen some of 2 to 3 examples in our last class. So today in this session, we will see the examples of the calendars concept and some of the important concepts of the same calendar. Okay, now see here students, in our last session, in the last video itself, we discussed very clearly about the day codes, month codes and century codes. Those who have not watched that videos, please do watch that video so that you can easily understand what I am discussing in this video. Okay, now see here, what was the day of the week on 28th May 2006. I need to tell the day of the week on 28th May 2006. First of all, this is 2006, 28th May. 28th May. Now, see here students, 2006 belongs to which century? 21st century. That means 2006 belongs to 2001 to 2100, right? 2001 to 2100 plus in the same century already how many years are completely finished? Actually we are finding a date in the year 2006. In the same century already how many years are completely finished? 5 years, right? Plus 28th May. This is 28th May of 2006. 2006. So that is the reason directly I am writing here 28th May. 28th May. Okay, now the century code for 2001 to 2100. As we discussed in our last session, for every century leap year, our odd days will become what? 0. That means what is the century leap year before this? Just 2000, right? 2000 is a century leap year. So for 2000 years, our odd days will become how much? 0. Then what happens to 2001 to 2100? This code will become what? This 0 will come to this century. So 0. Next from 2100 to 2101 to 2200, what will be the code? 5. Next 22012 to 2300, what will be the code? 3. Next 2301 to 2400, what will be the code? 1. This is how we discussed in our last session. So this belongs to 21st century and the 21st century code is 0. 0 plus 5 years. In 5 years, how many leap years will we have? Only 1 leap year. So 1 leap year. And out of 5, if 1 is leap year, we will have 4 normal years plus 28th of May. Plus 28th of May. Now please see here, 0 plus for 1 leap year, how many odd days? 2 odd days. Anyway, we have only 1 leap year, so 2. Plus 4 normal years. For 1 normal year, how many odd days? 1. For 4 normal years, 4 into 1, 4. Plus 28th May, right? 28th May, so I should travel from January to May. January, February. Why it is 0 for February? This is a normal year. If it is a leap year, for February it will become 1. January, February, March, April and May 28th. So don't write the code for the month of May, directly write down the number of days here as 28. As we have already discussed, either you can cancel 7 sum or else add all the things. So 28 plus 2, 30, 30 plus 3, 33, 33 plus 3, 36, 36 plus 4, 40, 40 plus 2, 42. Will we have 42 odd days? No. What is the highest number of odd days possible for us? 6. So divide this 42 with 7 once again. What is the remainder you will get? 0. So that means how many odd days here? 0. 0 is the code for Sunday. 0 is the code for Sunday. So that means our answer here will become Sunday. Our answer here becomes Sunday. This is how we are going to find what day will fall on what days. Okay, next. What was the day on the week 17th June 1998? Students, please pause the video and try to get the answer for this one. Pause the video and try to get the answer for this. Right. Now see here, 17th June 1998. 17th June 1998. It belongs to which century? 1901 to 2000. Plus, in the same century, how many years are completely finished? We are finding a date in the year 98. So we will find it for what? 97 years are already completely finished. 97 years are completely finished and 17th of June. Now 1901 to 2000, what is the century code? 1. In 97 years, how many leap years will we have? 24. Out of 97, if 24 are leap years, what about normal years? 97 minus 24. It becomes what? 73 for us. 73 normal years plus 17th of June. Right? Now what happens to this? 1 plus. For 1 leap year, how many odd days do we have? 2. So for 24 years, 24 leap years, 24 into 2, 48. Plus for 1 normal year, 1 odd day. For 73 normal years, 73 into 1, 73. Plus 1998. Is this a leap year? No, it is a normal year. So February code will become 0. So now I need to travel from January to June. January, February, March, April, May, June code. No, don't write the code for June. Why? Because we are finding a date in the month of June itself. Okay, now I will cancel the 7 sum here, students. 48 plus 1, 49, right? Multiple of 7, cancel it. 73 means 70 is a multiple of 7. I will be left with what? 3. Next, see here. 17, 3, 3. 6 plus 17, 23. 6 plus 17, 23. 6 plus 7, 23. Plus 3, 26. Plus 2, 28. 7 multiple is cancelled, right? 7 multiple is gone. So now at last I was left with what? 3. 3 is the code for what day? 3 is the code for Wednesday. 3 is the code for Wednesday. So our answer here becomes Wednesday. We know that. See, day codes, students, we already know. 0 is for Sunday. 1 is for Monday. 2 is for Tuesday. And so on. 6 is for Saturday. Here we got our answer as 3. That is the reason we have written it very easily. Right? Understood? This is how we are going to find the day. What day will fall on what dates? What day will fall on what dates? Next one. The first Republic Day of India was celebrated on 26th January 1950. It was. I need to tell what day it is. Whether it is Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday or Friday. Now same as usual. 1901 to 2000 century. That means 20th century. Plus in the same century already 49 years are finished. And 26th of January. 26th of January. Now, century code is 1. In this 49 years, how many leap years I will have? 12 leap years. And out of 49, if 12 are leap years, what about normal years? 37 normal years. Plus 26th January. See here, students, already in my first video, I told you how out of 49, I have written directly 12 and 37. Those who have not watched it, please watch it. If not, please see here. 49, I will divide it with 4. 49, 4 1s are 4, 2s are 48. So exactly multiple is 12. So that is the reason 12 leap years. Out of 49, if 12 are leap years, the remaining 49 minus 12, it becomes what? 37. 37 is normal years. Okay. So plus 26th of January. Now what happens to this? 1 plus, for a leap year, how many odd days do we have? 2 odd days. So 12 into 2, 24. Plus, for a normal year, how many odd days do we have here? 1. So total how many normal years are there? 37. So 37 into 1, it becomes what for us? 37. Plus, here anyway we are finding a date in the month of January itself. So directly I will write 26. No need to write the code of the month January. Why? Because we are finding a date in the month of January itself. Earlier we found the dates in the month of June, April and so on, right? In that cases what we have done, we have written up to, if we are finding a date in the month of June, we used to write the codes up to May and directly write the day in the month of June. Here also similarly. Anyway, January is the first month, there are no previous months. So directly I am writing the day in the month of January, that is 26. That is 26. Now see here, it is up to you, you can cancel the 7 sum or do anything. Now 37 means 7 5s are 35, I will be left with 2. 2 plus 26. 28, right? 7 multiple, that is cancelled. Now in 24, I will be left with 3. 3 plus 1, what it is? 4. 4 means what? 4 is Thursday. So that means we celebrated our first Republic Day on Thursday. We celebrated our first Republic Day on Thursday. Yesterday, in our previous video, we have seen when did we celebrate our first, what we can say, Independence Day? We celebrated it on Friday. 15th August 1947 is a Friday. And similarly, we celebrated our first Republic Day on Thursday. Okay? Right. Next one. The last day of the century cannot be. This is very, very important, students. This is very, very important. See, the last day of the century can be. Actually, if you know what should be the last day of the century, then obviously the remaining will be the cannot be, right? The last day of the century can be. See here, students, here we should apply our basic knowledge. What are the century codes we have? 0, 5, 3 and 1. 0, 5, 3 and 1. So, the last day of the century can be this 0, 5, 3 and 1. 0 means what? Sunday. 5 means what? Friday. 3 means what? Wednesday. And 1 means Monday. So, the last day of the century can be this one. Can be this. Cannot be. Here they are asking cannot be. Cannot be what? Cannot be. What we can write? Saturday. What are the days which we are left here? Saturday, Thursday and Tuesday. Saturday, Thursday and Tuesday. So now please see here, what is the question they asked for us here? Cannot be. Cannot be what? Tuesday. The last day of the century cannot be Tuesday. Please be careful, students. Can be means it can be 0531. Simply the century codes. Remember this one. Century codes are what? 0531. So the last day of the century can be 0531. Cannot be means what are the days? What are the even numbers? 2, 4, 6. If you consider this as odd numbers, the other things will be even. Sir, how 0? 0 is nothing but 7, right? 0 is nothing but 7. Because of that reason, I am calling this as odd days and this as even days. Even days should be, cannot be the last day of the centuries, whereas even days can be the last day of the centuries. Can be the last day of the centuries. Now see here, students, I want to tell you one more thing here itself. That is a normal year. Can I tell this one? A normal year start and end with the same date. Start and end with the same day. That means if the January 1st is a Monday, then December 31st is also Monday. Okay. If January 1st is some Wednesday, then December 31st also becomes Wednesday. In the case of normal years. Okay. But in the case of leap year, okay, in a leap year, it ends with the day next to the day with which it gets started. For example, if it is a leap year, if it starts with Monday, that means if January 1st is a Monday, then December 31st will become what? Tuesday. Remember this one. If it is a normal year, if it starts with Monday, ends with Monday. But if it is a leap year, if it starts with Monday, it will end in the sense December 31st will be what? Tuesday. December 31st will become what? Tuesday. Please keep this thing in your mind, students. There is a high chance of asking this type of things in statements. Okay? Right. Okay, sir. Next. Today is 5th February. The day of the week is Tuesday. This is a leap year. What will be the day of the week on this day after 5 years? Now, please see here, students. Here you should know one basic understanding. Students, please observe this one. Everyone. This understanding is very, very important. For example, I will start with the latest century, that is 2001. Assume 2001 for time being. What is January 1st of 2001? Tell me what will be the January 1st of 2001? It is Monday. Assume January 1st 2001 is what? Monday. Okay. Then tell me what will be January 1st of 2002. January 1st of 2002. It will become what? Tuesday. Am I correct? 1 day jump will happen. Why? Because 2001 is a normal year. 2001 is a normal year. Now similarly, what will be 2003 Jan 1st? What will be 2003 Jan 1st? It will become what? Wednesday. Okay, sir, no problem. Next, what will be 2004 Jan 1st? What will be 2004 Jan 1st? Sir, this is a leap year. So here there is a jump of 2 days. Please be careful, students. This is January 1st. When the 2 days jump happens means after we crossing the month of February. February, and that to February 28th. So that means here still it will become what? Thursday only. It still becomes what? Thursday. Now 2005 Jan 1st. Now we crossed this February 28th to go to 2005, right? So that means now here we will have a jump of 2 days. Here we will have a jump of 2 days. That means what will be our answer for this one? It will become what? Not Friday, Saturday. It will become what? Saturday. Okay, sir, good, superb. Now similarly, please observe the next statement. This is also very, very. For example, 2001, okay, April 1st. April 1st, let us assume it as some Wednesday. April 1st is some Wednesday. Now please tell me what will be 2002 April 1st? It will become what? Thursday for us. 1 day jump. Why? Because 2002 is a normal year and 2001 is also a normal year. Next 2003 April 1st will become what? Will become what? Friday for me. Only 1 day jump. Now see here 2004 April 1st. 2004 April 1st. Sir, in the previous case, no change. 2003 only 1 day jump happened. So here also 1 day jump will happen. Here we will get Saturday. No, it is wrong. Here we will get Sunday. Here we will get Sunday. Now continuation to that. 2005 April 1st. What it becomes? Monday. Here please observe these two things, students. Sir, here 2001, 2002, 2003, there is no change up to 2004. You have written Thursday, only 1 day jump. But sir, why you have written in 2001, 2003, in 2004 itself, 2 days jump. And in 2005, as usual, once again normal. Here you have changed the 2005 as Saturday. What is the reason, sir? Means very simple, students. Don't check for the years. Whether it is 2004 or 2003, please don't check that like that. What you need to check is whether you crossed the February 28th. February 28th of leap year or not. Now please see here. Here it is not before February 28th. So till before February 28th, the jump will be only 1 day. So after crossing February 28th to go to 2005, January 1st, now a jump of 2 days will be happening here. Now a jump of 2 days is happening here. Now please see here, see this date, what it is? April 1st. Now April 1st to 2004 April 1st, will I cross February 28 or not? Yes, I will cross. Because of that reason, here itself we will have a 2 days jump. So Friday to it jumped to Sunday. Instead of Saturday, it directly jumped to Sunday. Already it jumped, right? From April 1st to 2005 April 1st, will there be any change? No change. So already it has jumped from year to year. Because of that reason, from here onwards, it will run normally. It will run normally. So don't keep your, don't think that by just the year to 1 day jump happens. It is not like that. You should check whether we crossed February 28th or not. If we have not crossed February 28th, only 1 day jump will happen. If you have crossed February 28th, there you will have 2 days jump. So please be careful. Try to understand the difference between these two things. Okay, which is very, very important for us while solving the problems. Now, come to our given question, students. Now, please observe our given question. What did they are asking us here? Today is 5th February. Okay, good, super. The day of the week is Tuesday. This is a leap year. Okay. 5th February. This is a leap year. And this is what they are telling, Tuesday. This is what they are telling it as Tuesday. Now, what will be the day of the week of this date? After 5 years. After 5 years, the same date will be what? See here, students. A few students will think that, sir, we will add 5, we will do this, that. Don't do too many things there. Make it simple. Anyway, just by writing that also you will get the answer in 5 to 10, 10 to 15 seconds. Don't think too much and make it complicated, make it simple. Now see here, next year, 5th February will become what? Now the February 28th is crossed, right? Now the February 28th is crossed, yes, crossed. So it will become what? Instead of Wednesday, it becomes Thursday. Why? Because presently that is a leap year, right? So there it will cross February 28th, that means we'll have February 29, because of that reason it becomes what? Thursday. Next February, 5th February becomes what? Friday. Okay, next 5th February becomes what? Saturday. Next 5th February becomes what here? What it becomes? Sir, this is leap year, so 1, 2, 3 and this is also a leap year. Yes, this is a leap year, I accept it. But did we cross February 28th? No. So still will be a jump of only one day, that is what? Sunday. That is what? Sunday. This is what? 4 days, 4 years. But I want what? After 5 years, right? So after 5 years means what? Next 5th February will become what? Now here the February 28th will be crossed, right, in this year. So now Sunday, next it will become what? Tuesday. So here we will have a jump of 2 days. Why? Because now here we crossed the February 28th of a leap year. So because of that reason our answer here becomes what? Tuesday. Our answer here becomes Tuesday. So please be careful with this type of question, students. Sometimes they will say after 5 years. Sometimes they will say before 5 years. If it is before, we will go in reverse odd manner. That's it, nothing different more than that. So you will get Tuesday. Okay, right? Next one. How many times does the 29th of the month occur in 400 consecutive years? 400 consecutive years, how many times does the 29th day of the month occurs? See here, students. In a normal year, 29th day will occur for how many times? Tell me. For normal years, 11 times. Why, sir? Why? Because in the month of, actually we have 12 months. But for a normal year, we will have 11 29th months. Why? Because February will have only 28 days. Because of that reason, for a normal year, we will get 11 times, 29 for 11 times. When it comes to leap year, for a leap year, how many times we will get this one, students? When it comes to leap year, it will get for 12 times. Why? Because the month of February also will have 29 days. Okay, good, sir. 400 consecutive years. 400 consecutive years he is telling. In the 400 consecutive years, students, how many leap years we will have? Sir, we will do 400 by 4 and we will say 100 leap years. Is this correct? Will we have 100 leap years? No, sir. We will not have 100 leap years. We will have only 97 leap years. Why? What is the reason? For your better understanding, I will take from 0 to 400. If I take from 0 to 400, yes, 4 multiples will be 100 in number. But 100 is not a leap year, 200 is not a leap year, 300 is not a leap year. 100, 200, 300 are not leap years. When it comes to 400, yes, 400 is a leap year, we know. So that means out of 100, 3 are deleted, right? So total how many leap years we will have? 97 leap years. Out of 400 years, if 97 are leap years, what about the normal years? Normal years will be 393 years. Okay, when it comes to normal years, we will have 393 years. 97 leap years we will have and 393 normal years we will have. Please be careful here, students. Don't write 100 leap years. Please be careful. Here we will get only 97 leap years. Okay. For one leap year, how many 29s we will get? 97 into 12. Plus for normal year, 11. So not 303, not 393, 303. So what you will get here? 303 into 11. 303 into 11. Please calculate it, students. What you will get? 97 12s are 411979 So this becomes what? 1164 and 303 11s are 303 11 times means 303 303. It will become what? 4 3s, right? It becomes 4 3s. So if I will add the 4 3s to this one, what it becomes? 7944. So we will have 4497 months, which will have 29th of that month, 29th day of the month. So we will have 4497 months, which will have 29th day, Okay, understood? This is how we are going to solve this type of questions. We should know the concept, students, then only easily you can apply the concept to the any other logic or any other method. Okay, right, good, super. Right, the next important question from this one is, when the same calendar can be once again used. See here, students, for what calendars I can use once again, I can use the same calendar. Definitely a normal year should be used for a normal year only. Can I use it for a leap year? No. A normal year should be used for a normal year, sir. Yes, good, superb. When it comes to leap year, I can use the calendar of leap year of a leap year only. This is the important thing which you should keep in your mind always. A normal year calendar can be used for a normal year. A leap year calendar should be used only for the leap year. That's it. Nothing more than that. So this is very, very important and you should not forget this thing at any cost. Okay, sir. Good, super. Now, how we can use means, see here. If the January 1st is Monday of any year, of a normal year, then if the same another year which is immediately, see the questions will be asked in such a manner which can be immediately used once again. That means actually this can be used for multiple times, but in the examination they will say that when it can be used immediately. So keep that thing in your mind and that is very, very important. For example, for your understanding, I will take 1 year, 2001. When I can use this calendar once again. How many odd days I will have for 2001, students? 1 odd day? Yes, sir. Next, for 2002, how many odd days I will have? 1 odd day. Okay. For 2003, why? Because these 3 are what? Normal years. This one is also 1 odd day. When it comes to 2004, it will have how many odd days? 2 odd days. Why? Because 2004 is a leap year. Next, 2005, 1. So now please here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Next 2006, 1. 2006, 1. Now see here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7 sum I got, right. So that means I can use the calendar of 2001 once again in 2007. 2001 once again in 2007. So what it is? Plus 6. Sir, how you are telling? Why you are writing this 111, 2211 and you are writing plus 6 and writing 2007? Means see here, students. If 2001, Jan 1st is a Monday. Next, what will happen to 2001? 2002 Jan 1st, it will become what? Tuesday. 2003 Jan 1st, it will become what? Wednesday. It will become what? Wednesday. Next, 2004 Jan 1st will become what? Thursday. Only 1 day jump. Why? Because still I didn't cross the month of February 28th. Next, 2005. First will become what for me here? Saturday. Next, 2006 Jan 1st will become what for me? Sunday. It will become what? Sunday. Next to 2007 Jan 1st will become what for me here? Jan 1st will become Monday. Now please see here. This year is starting with Monday and this year is also starting with Monday. And this is a normal year and this is a normal year. That means can I use the calendar of 2001 to 2007 once again? Immediately once again? Yes. I can use, right? The same thing here. Instead of shifting the days Monday, Tuesday, I am writing the number of odd days in that particular year. 2001, 1, 2002, 2, 1, 2003, 1, 2004, it is 4, 1, 1. So whenever I get the sum as 7, that is enough. There I will stop my logic and I will add the next year can be, the next year calendar we can be same as that of 2001. Okay, sir, good, super. Now I will check for 2002. Students, we will see why we are writing all these things and everything. We will see slowly. 2002, when I can use the calendar of 2002 once again. So how many odd days for 2002? 1. For 2003, how many odd days? 1. For 2004, 2. 2005, 1. 2006, 1. 2007, 1. Now see here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, sir. I can use once again in 2008. Is it correct? Can I use the calendar of 2002 in 2008? No, I cannot use. Why, sir? What is the reason? This is a normal year. 2008 is what? It is a leap year. This is a normal year and this is a leap year. How I can use a calendar of normal year to a leap year? Which is practically not possible. That is the reason I told you. Normal year calendar should be used always for normal year. Leap year calendar should be always used for leap year. Yes, sir. Okay, good. Now please observe here. So what happens, sir? Up to year 7 sum is gone. So next 7 sum. We will wait for next 7 sum. So 2008, how many odd days? 2. 2009, 1. 10, 1. 11, 1. 12, 2. Now I will check. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I can use it in 2013, right? Why? Because once again I got 7 sum. 2002 normal year, 2013 is also normal year. That means I can use the calendar of 2002 once again in 2013. That means what is happening here? Plus 11. Plus 11. See here, students, we are trying to make a formula from this one. So please observe the here plus 6, here plus 11. Next, I will check for 2003. When I can use the calendar of 2003 once again immediately. 2003, 1 odd day, 4, 2 odd days, 5, 1, 6, 1, 7, 1, 8, 2. Now please see here, students, what is happening here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 8. I am not getting 7 here, directly jumping to 8. So I need to check for the, I will need to wait till the next multiple of 7. What is the next multiple of 7? 14. 14. Up to here 8, right? Okay. 9. So it will become 9. 10, 10, 11, 11, 12. I will get 2 here. Now see here up to here 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Here 14. So that means next multiple is 14 only, right? That means the calendar of the year 2003 can be used after 11 years. That is in 2014. I can use it in 2014. Normal year, normal year. It is matching. Now if you check in the similar manner for 2004. 2004 is a leap year, right? To match a leap year with leap year in the same process, to match a leap year with leap year in the same process, it will take us 28 years. It will take us 28 years. It will take us 28 years. Now please observe this one. 2001, which is a year which is immediately after a leap year. 2002, 3, which are second and third after a leap year. 2004 is a leap year. That means from this what I can write here is the calendar of the year, the calendar of a year which is immediately after leap year can be used after 6 years. Can be used after 6 years. That means 2013, which is immediately after leap year, that is 2012. So 2013 I can use it after how many years? 2013 plus 6, 2019. I can use it in the year 2019, like that. So next, the calendars of the years. The calendars of the years second and third after a leap year. After a leap year can be used after 11 years. After 11 years. That means 2014, 2015. I can use them after 11 years. That means 2014 plus 11, I can use it in 2025. Means the present calendar, this year's calendar will be same as our 2014 calendar, students. Okay, next 2015 calendar, I can use it in next year, that is 2026. 2015 plus 6, 11. So it becomes 2026. Next, the calendar of the leap year can be used after 28 years. Can be used after 28 years. Okay, sir. Directly you have given us the formulas. We will apply these formulas and we will try to get the answers. Okay, good, superb. Now, when the calendar of the year 1672 can be once again used. 1672 can be once again used. Sir, this is a leap year. Is it a leap year or not? Yes, it is a leap year. So, I will use this after 28 years. So, 1672 plus 28, I will use it in the year of 1700. Is this correct? Is this correct here? No. Why? Because 1672 is a leap year. But tell me whether 1700 is a leap year? No. 1700 is not a leap year. Sir, then what is happening here? Yes, this is a shortcut technique only. Yes, correct. But it will have some limitations, students. It will have some limitations. What are that limitations? Means this our logic. This plus 6, plus 11, plus 11 and plus 28 logic works up to certain range. In any century, when it comes to the first three, it will be applicable for, what you can tell here is, this can be applicable for first 1 to 90 years only. Okay, if for any given century, you can apply. That means 1 to 90 in the sense 2001 to 2090. You can apply this logics up to that one only. Beyond that, you cannot apply this logic. Please keep this thing in your mind. Why? Because there we will have, why, what is the reason why we are facing this issue? Why these formulas are not universal? Means very simple. We know that there are some centuries which are not leap years. So, when you are heading to those centuries, this problem will be raised. So, because of that reason, yes, this is a shortcut technique, but please be careful, it will have some limitations. Sir, if they ask us, now what I need to write the answer for 1672 means, you know the procedure. Just now I have told you 1, 1, 2, 2, you should write like that, and a non-leap year should be matched with non-leap year and a leap year should be matched with leap year. This is how you need to solve the problems. For timing, remember plus 6, plus 11, plus 11 and plus 28. But till now in most of the examinations, they are asking the question in such a manner that you will get answer by using this logics only. But remember, once again I am telling, this logic has some limitations. It will not be worked for all the cases. Please be careful. After getting the answer, make sure that a non-leap year is matching with non-leap year and a leap year is matching with a leap year. Please be careful with this concept, with this shortcut. Okay, right. Now we will see the questions. Now, March 1st, 2008 was Saturday. Which day was it on March 1st, 2002? So, now here we are going backward, right? So, 1st of March 2008. 2008 is a leap year? Yes, sir, it is a leap year. March 1st means February 29 was crossed? Yes, it is crossed. So, please be careful. Now, tell me what will be March, 1st of March 2007. According to this is Saturday. This is what? Saturday. So, now what happens to this? Tell me. 2 days backward. You should come back 2 days. So, it will become what? Thursday, not Friday. Please be careful. So, 2006 it will become what? Wednesday. 2005 it becomes what? Wednesday and Tuesday. 2004 it becomes what? It becomes Monday. But please be careful when you are going backward. Now 2003. Here we will have 2 days jump. So reverse manner. So it will become what? Saturday. And 2002 it will become what for me? Friday. It will become what? Friday. So our answer here becomes Friday. Please be careful, students, when you are writing the things in the reverse order. Reverse order. Okay. So here from February 2008 to 2007 itself, we will have the 2 days jump. Similarly, 2004 to 2003 itself, we will have 2 days backwardness. Why? Because in the reverse order, if we see, we will crossing February 28th. We are crossing February 28th. That is the reason. So here our answer will become what? Friday. Okay, or else you can go in the what we can say odd days manner also, but anyway more or less we will get the same answer. Here we will have more clarity. So here our answer is Friday. Next question. Next one. On January 12th, 1990, it was Saturday. The day of the week on January 12th, 1979 was 1979. See here, students. 1980 is a leap year. Yes, it is a leap year, sir. It is a leap year. There is no doubt in that at all. There is no doubt in that at all. Now see here, 1980 is a leap year. Now you are going one day backward. And in 1980, did we cross the February 28th? No, we didn't cross February 28th. Still we are in the month of January. So only one day jump will happen in backward. So January 12th, 1979 will become what? It was Saturday, means it will become just a Friday. Only one day backwardness is enough for us. If we have crossed February 28th, then we would have came back by 2 days. But here only one day. Next one. The year next to 1991 having the same calendar as that of 1990 is, yes, this is the trickiest part. I told you, right? Calendar as that of 1990. I need to tell the calendar of 1990 when I can use here. Actually, students, here our logic will work. Why? What is the reason, sir? Means very simple. 2000 is a leap year. Here we don't have any disturbance, actually speaking. But still, my suggestion is solve it carefully. 1990 calendar, right? So 1 odd day, 91, 1 odd day, 92, 2 odd days. Why? Because 92 is a leap year. 93, 1, 94, 1, 95, 1. So now please here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Sir, I can use in 96. No, I cannot use in 96. Why? What is the reason? 96 is a leap year. We cannot use it in 96. So once again our, what we can say, our chase continues. So 96, 2 odd days, 97, 1, 98, 1, 99, 1. So 2, 3, 4, 5. In 2000, we have 2 odd days. Here there will, actually you can directly add plus 11 here. In this century, you can add plus 11 directly, not an issue. Why? Because 2000 is a century leap year. It will not disturb our logic. So, but for your awareness, I am using this one. So 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 1991 I can use once again in 2001. 2001. I can use the same calendar once again in 2001. See here, students, this century, this 20th century, there will be no issue with the century crossing. Why? Because 2000 is a leap year, so it will be smooth. We can easily get our answer easily and effectively. Understood? But to be more cautious, I am always suggesting, if it is beyond 90 years or 90 years, go with the traditional method. Don't use the shortcut. Why? Because it may be or may not be. If it is for 2000, it is fine. But if it is for 1900, if it is for 1800, for example, the same question is, for example, 1890. 1890. For example, the same question is for 1890. Then what will happen? Please see here. 1900 is, see, up to here there will be no issue. 91 odd day, 91 1 odd day, 92 2, 93 1, 94 1, 95 1, 96 2. See here, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. I cannot use in 96, so my logic continues. So 96 2, 97 1, 98 1, 99 1, and 1900 is also 1. 1900 is also 1. That is the reason I am telling you should be more careful. Okay, now see here, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. It is gone up to here. Next 2 3 4 5 6 7. So I can use it in what? 1902. So 1990 calendar can be used in 1902. 1902. Understood? Understood, students? That is the reason you should be. See, 1990 calendar can be used in 2001. But 1890 calendar cannot be used in 1901. The reason is 1900 is not a leap year. That is the reason I told you, please be careful with these centuries. Okay, when you are heading to the centuries, nearing to the centuries, please try to get the answer in the traditional method itself. Okay, don't use that plus 6, plus 11, plus 11 and plus 28 logics there. Right, next one. Today is Monday. After 61 days it will be. Now see here, students, today is Monday. For example, if today is Monday, after 7 days what it becomes? Same Monday. Am I correct or not? For example, if first is a Monday, when we will have the next Monday? On 8th, right? This is after 7 days only. On 8th it will be once again Monday. Next Monday will be on 15th, right? Next Monday will be on 15th and so on. So similarly, what will be the 63rd day once again? If today is Monday, 7 multiple will become what? That is 63rd day. What will be the 63rd day? It will be once again Monday. It will be once again Monday. But here they are asking us about the 61st day. What will be the 61st day? So 62nd it will become what? Sunday, and 61st will become what? Saturday. So our answer here becomes Saturday. So our answer here becomes Saturday. This is how you need to check. 7 multiples, students. Just check the 7 multiples. Check the nearest 7 multiple. See, this is 61, right? I came backward. You can go forward also. 56th day will be once again what? Monday. 57, Tuesday. 58, Wednesday. 59, Thursday. 60, Friday. 61st, Saturday. You can go forward or you can come backward. Just you need to observe the 7 multiple. Just you need to observe the 7 multiple. That's it. Next one. Now the next one. See here, students. On what dates of April 2001 did Wednesday fall? Now I need to tell on what dates Wednesday will fall. Sir, how we can tell Wednesdays will fall? Means simple. If you know what day will fall on that first of that month, you can easily tell, right? For example, if the first of that month is some Monday. If the first of that month is some Monday. Now can you tell in that month when the Tuesdays or Wednesdays falls? Yes. When the first Wednesday will come? On 3rd will be the first Wednesday. When the next Wednesday will be? On 10th. When the next Wednesday? On 17th. Next 24th. If that month have 31 days, then 31 will be written. If that month doesn't have 31 days, then we will write only 3, 10, 17 and 24. Right? This is how we are going to see. So that means whenever they ask these type of questions, very simple, find out what is the 1st of April. 1st of April 2001 will fall. 1st of April 2001 will fall. So 2001. That means it belongs to which century, students? 2001 to 2100. And in the same century already how many years are finished? 0. Why? Because the century is starting with 2001 only. So directly I can write here 1st of April. Directly I can write here 1st of April. Understood? Why? Because in the same century previously no years are completely finished. So what is the century code for this? 0. January, February, March, April. 1st of April only, right? 1st of April. So what is the 1st of April now? Everything will get cancelled. Why? Because total is 7. 1st of April is Sunday. If 1st is Sunday, what is our question? Wednesday. If 1st is Sunday, students, tell me when we will have our Wednesday. Our Wednesday will be on 4th. 4th is Wednesday. Next, when we will have the other Wednesday? Plus 7. 4 plus 7. So 11th will be Wednesday. Next plus 7. 18th will be Wednesday. Next plus 7. 25th. That means on 4th, 11th, 18th and 25th. If I add plus 7, it becomes what? 32. Will a month have 32 days? No, not at all. So our answer here will come 4, 11, 18 and 25. So our answer will become here 4, 11, 18th and 25th dates. On these dates, we will have Wednesdays. So whenever you see this type of question, very simple, find out what is the first of that month. What day is falling on the first of that month, and based on that we can write all the remaining dates. Based on that we can write all the remaining dates. Clear, students? This is how we are going to find the answer for this type of questions. Okay, sir, good, superb. Next one. Now, how many days are there in X weeks, X days? This is one of the most commonly asked questions, students. X weeks, X days. How many days they are asking? 1 week contains how many days, students? 7 days. 2 weeks, 14 days. 3 weeks, 21 days. How you are telling? 2 into 7, 3 into 7, like that, right? Similarly, for X weeks, how many days we will have? X into 7 days. For X weeks, we will have X into 7 days. Plus X weeks, X days, right? Plus X. X into 7, it becomes what? 7x. Plus X, it will become what? 8x. It will become what? 8x. So that means how many days are there in X weeks and X days? Means our answer here will become 8x. Our answer here becomes 8x. See here, students, sometimes they will also use a number, a variable as A also. A weeks, A days. Okay, P weeks, P days. Whatever it may be, the concept remains same. It becomes what? 8x or 8a or 8p, whatever it is. One of the most frequently asked question. This one is. Next one. The calendar of the year 2007 will be same for the year 2007. 2007. What type of year? This is third after a leap year, right? Why? Because 2004 is a leap year. 2005 is the first year after leap year. 2006 and 2007 are the second and third years after the leap year. The years, second and third years can be used after how many years? Can be used after 11 years. So plus 11, that will become what? 2018. It becomes what? 2018. So the calendar of the year 2007 can be once again used in 2018. Most of the cases, students, they will say that immediately used in. Can be immediately. For example, if they doesn't used, if they don't have 2018, then you should progress like this only and you need to find the answer among the given options. Okay, right? Next one. If the 14th September of the year is Tuesday, okay, then which day of the week will be 17th October of the same year? Okay. Now see here what they are telling, 14th September of an year. Do we require here whether the year is a leap year or not, something like that? Do we require here? No. Why? Because already the first date given for us here is the year the date which is already crossing February 28. And they asked one is also after February 28 only, so no need to think. So what is telling? 14th September is what? Tuesday. 14th September is a Tuesday. He is asking us about 17th October. If 14th September is Tuesday, what about the 17th October of the same year? Very simple, students. How you need to solve these type of questions means in the same month already in the month of September already how many days are there? Tell me more. How many days? September month contains how many days? September month contains 30 days. So already 14 days are finished. So we are left with more how many days? 16 days. And 17th of October. 16 plus 17. 16 plus 17. What it becomes overall? 33. 16 plus 7. What it becomes? 33. Now 33 by 7. You will get what? 5. So will our answer be Friday? Will our answer be Friday? No. Our answer will not be Friday. What will be our answer, sir? What will be our answer means from Tuesday you should go 5 days. Or else what is the day code for Tuesday? 2. The day code for Tuesday is 2. 2 plus 5 what it becomes? 7. 7 is nothing but 0 only, right? 0 means what? Sunday. So our answer here will become Sunday. Or else from Tuesday you go 5 days forward. Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. So our answer here will become what? Sunday. This is how you need to solve these type of questions. Okay. This is how you need to solve this type of questions, students. So please be careful. Yes, the remaining days are 16 and you are finding the 17th of October. So you will get 16 plus 17 as 33. Next 33 by 7. 33 by 7, what is the odd days? You will get 5. Don't write directly 5 we got, so Friday. It is not like that. You should add this Friday to what? Tuesday. This 5 to what? Tuesday. Tuesday code is what here, students? 2. So 2 plus 5 it becomes what? 7. 7 means nothing but 0. Why? Because we can have maximum of 6 only. So once again we will divide with 7 and we will get the remainder as 0. So what will be our answer here? Sunday. Our answer here becomes what? Sunday. Okay, understood? This is how you need to find these one dates. And already 14th is done. Don't include that 14th. I am telling once again. In the same month only 16 days are there. Why? Because September month contains 30 days. So 30 minus 14, 16. And this date should be included. 17th date should be included. So plus 17. Understood? Right. Next one. That's it, students. These are the questions from the calendars concept. These are all the different questions from the calendars. We will see a new concept in our next video. Please do watch all the videos, students, so that you will have a clear idea. Okay. Thank you. Thank you very much.